This is a video to show steps to reproduce this issue here. And the issue is that a customer is using Gitlab 13.5.4 and Jira 8.5.3 and having trouble with a DVCS connector. The problem is when we have a merge request and the issue key only exists in a commit message, it doesn't update the merge request on Jira. I'm going to use latest versions of Gitlab and Jira because I think the issue still exists and that was easier to reproduce it for me. The user also mentions this documentation, which says, create merge requests or pull requests, it's called in Jira. This one will be a bit difficult because we call it merge requests on Gitlab, but on Jira it's called pull requests. So include a commit and a pull request that has the Jira issue key in the commit message. The commit cannot be a merge commit. So I think when we have a commit that mentions the Jira issue and open a merge request, but the merge request doesn't mention the Jira issue anyway, it should still show up in Jira. I have a fresh install of Jira here. Let's create a project. Yes, call it test. And while I'm doing it, I'll also try to document what I did. Install Jira. Let's check with which version this is. Yes, I think we should be able to see it here. There it is. So this is version 8.21.1. Create a project. And I will also create a new project on Gitlab. I have my Gitlab running here using the Gitlab development GDK Gitlab development kit, right? So this runs on the latest master version, so it's the most up-to-date one. But it should be working. So I'll create a blank project, make it public, doesn't matter. Jira DVCS test. Okay. The project on Jira. Create a project on Gitlab. All right. And now I'm going to link the two using DVCS. So therefore I will go to manage apps, I think. No, that's not the right one. Applications and DVCS accounts. On Jira, go to click to applications, DVCS accounts. I'm then going to link an account. I use Gitlab self-managed. And hey, what's my team? I think my let's put this in a group. I think we can only link a group, and then we'll fetch all the projects in that group. So let's create a new group. Public. And I'm also going to change this here. Group on Gitlab. Create a project in the group on Gitlab. No, I don't want to save this. Okay, and then I'll create a new project in that group. Call it test. There we go. Okay, back on Jira. So now my group name, I think that should be this one. Hostgel is localhost 3000. And I need to link an OAuth thingy first. How do we do this? Administration. Jira, follow the instructions on create an OAuth account. Okay, we go to administration system, OAuth, cancel, system. There we go. Select new integration and select custom. Enter your integration name. So that will be Gitlab, I guess. Okay, don't worry about this. Enter your authorization at token endpoint as shown in the table. Okay. For self-managed, using this one. And token endpoint be this one. Oh, the other way around. Okay, well, let's put this here. Well, let's park this here for a second. Put this here. This back here. Okay. Okay, then we need to generate the redirect URL and copy it. Okay, on Gitlab, go to user settings, applications. And add a new application, Jira, redirect UI. Guess we need API, let's double check, confidential API. Okay, save this. And then we get an application ID that we need back on Jira. will be the client ID and a secret. That will be the secret. In scope, select API. And save. Now we can test the connection. Yes, and we want to authorize that. Connection successful. Okay, that's nice. I guess then we can proceed with the setup of the DVCS connector. Okay, so we did that, and then we go back to applications DVCS accounts. Click link account, select Gitlab self-managed. I guess if you want to try this, you can also use gitlab.com. I would assume this doesn't make a difference. Okay, so my account. Okay, I need to go back to my group. Oopsie. Yeah, oh no. Okay, this is only because of the development environment I'm using. There we go, here's my group. Okay, I guess we can close this one. Enter team account, host URL is localhost 3000. Client configuration GitLab. Okay, that's nice. Enter group name, host URL of the GitLab instance. Select the new OAuth account and click Add. Okay, this looks good. While this is syncing, I'll add this here. Okay, it's syncing repositories. I think this should show the test project soon. And while this is syncing, we can create an issue on Jira. Oh, nice, I think this works. Okay, test repository. Okay, let's create an issue. Test merge request. Create. There we go. And what I would expect now, when I create a merge request on GitLab, I mention the issue ID test1 in the commit message. It should show up here on the side as a pull request. Let's try this. Okay, so first we need to make a change. Let's use web IDE here. Okay, we can put something in README. And then the commit message would be test1 update. Okay, we'll create a new branch that doesn't mention the issue ID. From that branch we'll create a merge request, but it don't mention the issue ID in the title or in the description or anywhere else. Let's create this merge request. There we go. Okay, and it has one commit, and the commit mentions the Jira issue. Let's see what we have here. It might not show up immediately. Takes a while. In the meantime, we can document this, create an issue in Jira, create on Gitlab, on the Gitlab project, click web IDE, make a change, mention the Jira issue ID in the commit message, commit and create a merge request, and make sure not to mention the issue ID anywhere else. Reload this one. Okay, we still don't have anything. We can verify that the connection works. We can create a new merge request. Oh, I think that's the wrong page. But wait, I think even though the merge requests don't show up, the branch should at least show up here. Let's reload this again. Another way to verify this should be, so the DVCS connector should have created a webhook here. Oh, actually two. Okay, it has. Merge request events, push events. I think this one should be the one. Let's see if it got executed. Yes, it did. But still nothing shows up here. We could try one more thing in applications, DVCS. We can manually synchronize this one. Okay. Let's go back to my issue. Oh. Huh, this one caught the pull request. That's interesting. So it seems like it actually works on the latest version. Okay, I think that's good enough. We might be able to reproduce it in an older version, but maybe if this got fixed, there's no need to. Alright, so it seems like this actually works as expected. I hope this video is still helpful, and yeah, if you're watching this and try to figure out how it works or if it works, then yeah, thanks for your help. Bye bye.